Good day, student. Welcome back, grade 8. My name is Miss Mhlongo CK. Today I'm going to teach you about the solar system and beyond. In this topic, what we are going to learn is all about the solar system. We are going to explore the solar system. What do we need after to know like this topic? We need to name the part of the solar system, explain the Earth's position, and describe the Sun and the other objects, and explore what lies behind the solar system. Firstly, let's understand what is a solar system. In our everyday life, we see the stars around like the sky at night. That's not only our stars, there is planets outside the earth which are held together. So, what is a solar system? A solar system is made of the sun, different types of the planet are held together by a gravity. Let's define the solar system in details. It's made of the sun and all objects that orbit in it, planet, moons, asteroid, comets, and dust. The solar system is a vast of collection of celestial objects that orbit around our star and the sun. What we mean by that? It means our solar system is where the Earth and other planets lives. We find different planets. So the word solar system, before we go to the definition of the sun, the word solar system, it came from the word sun. Sol means sun. It means in the solar system, the sun is the main object that we need because it contains, even here we have different types of planet you can see, but here is the sun. It means the sun control here, it controls the gravity of the other planet. So the word solar system, solar, it came from the sun. So the solar system belongs to the sun. Let's go to the sun, our star. That's why I say the word soul come from the sun. The sun is the our star, is the biggest star. It provides light on Earth and other planet. The sun is a huge ball of hot gases. As you can see, every day we get heat energy and UV light from the sun. It's a huge ball of the hot gases of hydrogen and helium, source of heat and light. Meaning, if we don't have the sun, we will not have heat or light. The center of the solar system. And my student, did you know that the sun is larger than the earth? The sun is hot and it's larger than the earth. The sun is 1 million as imagine a million. It's how many? A million, like a million of earths. That's how big the sun is. The fact about the sun, its diameter is 1.4 kilometer. It contains solar 99.8% of solar system's masses, energy from a nuclear reaction, 150 million kilometers from the Earth. The sun, as I said, the sun is big. It contains its diameter. It, I get with the sun is round. It is a diameter. Its diameter is 1.4 kilometers and it contains 99%. It means it's the largest in the solar system because it contains 99.8 of the solar system's masses. And then the energy from the nuclear reactions. It's 150 million from kilometer from where? From the Earth. It means its distance from the Earth is 150 million kilometers. Object around the sun, which is the system, is the object in the system. We have the planets, the dwarf planets, the moon, asteroid, and comets, and meteorite. The eight planets. We have eight planets around the solar system. We have the inner planet, which is next to the sun, and the outer planet, which is far more away from the sun. We have the inner planet, which is Mercury, Venus, and Earth, and Mars, and the outer planet, which is Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, and Neptune. Let's go back to the slide where they show us different types of planets. Here it is. These are four of them from what? Mercury, Venus, and Mars, and Earth. There are four inner planets, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune is the outer what? Planet. When I ask you a question of give me four inner planet, you have to mention Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, and the outer planet Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, 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 and Neptune. And did you know that Neptune was discovered through mathematics before it was seen? It means this planet, they didn't know Neptune, it was there until it was discovered through mathematics. So the inner planets, the Mercury is the closest. Mercury is the first closest next to the what? To the sun. It's very hot in Mercury. It's the smallest planet in our solar system and is the closest to the sun. Venus, you understand, because the Mercury is next to the sun. Of course, it has to be the hottest and closest to the sun. And then Venus is the second one, which is the hottest planet. Compared to the Earth, it means Earth, Venus, and Mercury is what is hot. The same way when you put a heater here and you put one object and another object, this one will get more heat, and then this one will get a less heat, and the other one will get a less heat. And then Earth has life and water. It means Earth is where you can able to live it, because the other planet maybe the hot we won't able to to survive there. And Mars is the red planet, is our fourth planet, and they fall under what? Inner planet. The outer planet, we have Jupiter. It is the largest, I mean, in our solar system. It's the largest planet. It's made of gas, and Saturn, famous for its ring. It means around Saturn, the planet, the planet Saturn, we have a ring, and Uranus rotates on its side. Neptune is the coldest and the furthest. That just like I say, when you put the heater here and the planet and the object here, this one will get more heat and this one will get lesser heat. It means since Neptune is the furthest, it's far from the sun, it will get less heat. So let's go back to that slide where we can see our planet. This planet, they will be rotating around the sun depending on which time to turn. They will be rotating here. As we say, Neptune is made of gases. You can see these gases, and Saturn, it has its ring. Uranus, they say it only rotates on its own, and then Neptune, as it is the furthest planet, it gets less sun, is the coldest, is the wettest. And we should also remember Neptune, it was discovered through mathematics. It was not seen. If I ask you a question, which planet was found late and it was discovered through mathematics, you should give me Neptune. How many outer planet? You should say four. And we have dwarf planets. These are the smaller planets in but still orbit the sun. It means we have different objects around the solar system. That's why we have dwarf planets, which is the smallest planet, but still are orbit around the sun. Pluto, Ceres, Eris orbit the sun and have enough mass to become nearly round, but they have not cleared the neighborhood around their orbit or the other object. Moons. We have different types of moons depending on which planet we're staying. As we stay on Earth, we only have one moon. Natural satellite and orbit planet. It means they are just natural. They give us light during the night when it's dark, when the earth is rotated and the sun is not at the earth has one moon. And Jupiter, they say Jupiter has more than 70 moons. A natural satellite that orbit a planet or other satellite's body that is not a sun. Asteroid, comets, and meteorite. Asteroid is a rocky orbit between a Mars and Jupiter. Comet is a icy and dice with a tail. Meteorite is a small rock that becomes meteors when entering the Earth. The atmosphere. When we speak about meteors, it's those rocks which they come with a fire to destroy. Like you just hear people saying there was a fire out of nowhere. It means it came from meteoroid. There are small rocks in the solar system. You just see them, they just appear on Earth. And this one asteroid, they're just rocky objects between the Mars and the Jupiter. The Earth position. Where do we find the Earth position in the solar system? As I said, we find the Earth in the planet, third position from the Sun. You can see here we have Mercury, Venus, and the Earth is here. Is the third planet from the Sun. Is located in a habitable zone. Conditions allow liquid and life on Earth. Is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet. It's the only place we know of inhabited by living things. And which is so weird because 2 years back, our scientists they say they found another Earth where people can live, but they are still trying to check if it's a habitable zone, how like human can survive there. So Earth, yeah, but now what is proven is that Earth is the only place where people can live. My student, how amazing it is! So you can live in another planet. Yo, beyond the solar system. Beyond the solar system, it means beyond. After the solar system, where we find the sun, far from there, we can find other stars, each with a planet, galaxy of billions of stars. Our galaxy, the Milky Way. Remember, this thing it has like we have a long years to prove like where we can find other planets. It means we are beyond the solar system, which we can find other stars and other planets. And a planet doesn't have to be a bigger, so we can prove that this is a planet. As we said, the Earth is the fifth largest planet to live, and the universe, everything in existence all of the space, matter and energy and its time. It includes our solar system, Earth and all the stars, billions of galaxies like our Milky Way. The universe incredibly vast has been expanding since Big Bang. It means the solar system it keeps on increasing, it keeps on expanding since 13 billion years ago. This thing has been happening like this. And in all the things that we learn about the sun and the energy, the planet and the other bodies, the Earth's special place, where is the set position, and what is beyond our solar system, where we talk about the expanding of the solar system. So I need you to go and complete this uh, quick quiz which is we have to go and name a planet, which planet has rings. You should go and check this. Which planet has a ring? Why the Earth is suitable for life, and what is beyond the solar system? Thank you.